Hi my dear friends, in this video I am going to show you how to make a zip file in Windows 11, and this method is similar to Windows 10 also. So let's jump in. First you need to go to the location you need to create a zip file, and in this case I need to make a zip file using this folder. Then what you have to do is just right click on it, and in the Windows 11 you have to tap on show more option. Windows 10 you don't need to tap on that one because it will show the whole menu just by right clicking on that folder. So in my case just I need to tap on show more options, and there is option called send to here. When you mouse over to that one, you can see there is a side menu open. In this menu you need to tap on compress zip folder. Tap on it. Now you can see the folder is created, and you can add the name for that one. I like to keep it as it is, and yeah, this is how you can make a zip file on Windows 11. And if you gain some knowledge from this video, please give a like and share this video.